Okay.
Namaste children, this is Yoganandam, your biology teacher. Now we are going to see a specimen, kidney. Hope this is visible properly under the black background, right? Children, uh, human being have it happens. Human beings have two kidneys, that is one pair of kidneys. One pair means two, right, left. Understand? One pair means two, right, left. Understand? So totally two kidneys. So one is present here. Understand? So of course one is enough. Understand? So the full structure we will have the model uh, in our lab. So that is fixed model. It is there. I will show you there. Understand? Okay. Now one kidney. So of course this is taken from goat only, but it resembles human kidney, right? See the shape. Understand? It is bean shaped, right? You might have studied about the shape of a dicotyledon seed, bean. Understand? So that same shape only this kidney is also. That is why kidneys are bean shaped organs. Kidneys are said as bean shaped organs. Understand? Right? Okay. These kidneys coming under uh, renal system or excretory system. They excrete liquid waste, especially extra water, urea, uric acid, etc. Understand? As urine. Okay? Yes. Now this kidney, where is the location? So whichever the internal organ, we first we should see the location. Understand? Then only we can go detail into the organ. Just like that, starting itself we cannot see the organ because these are internal organs, and in a right portion we cut open the body only, we can see the organs, right organs in the right place. Understand? Heart cannot be seen through the aperture where it is cut in the abdomen. Understand? So it should be the aperture or opening should be in the mediastinum, then only heart will be visible. Understand? Like that. And we should know the location first. Understand, children? We should know the location first. Kidneys are present in the abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity na, at the back of the abdominal cavity, back side la, you know, front side la, the stomach, pancreas, right? This side liver, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, these and all are there. Appendix, everything are there. Okay? So at the back, right? The abdominal cavity only at the back, on either side of the vertebral column. Abdominal, and the vertebral column is running from starting of the neck till the pelvic girdle, right? In that abdominal cavity, either side of the vertebral column, it is present. Okay? This is said generally, but abdominal cavity is a large, the lengthy cavity. Okay? There, these small kidneys, where it will be exactly, they are under the safety of two set of floating ribs. Two set of floating ribs. Understand? What are they? Floating ribs. Already I said rib cage is there, no? While explaining heart and lungs, right? The rib cage, it starts in the chest bone, sternum, and run and bend in the sideways and get attached with the backbone at the back, right? Understand? So some set of bones, they attached, so they are fully cage like. Two pairs. Understand? two pairs of rib bones, they start at the back bone and they are halfway stopped. They are not continuing and joining in the front chest bone sternum. They are not joining. Understand? So they originate from the uh, vertebral column and to some length it grows and stops there. They are incomplete. That is why they are called as floating ribs or floating bones. So and the floating bones are like this na. Understand? As a safety, here the kidney is there. Understand? So floating ribs are there here na. Under that safety the kidney is present. Understand? Right? So here also this is also vital organ and sensitive organ only, right? So bone safety is given from the back. Understand? Next, it is covered with membrane. Understand? It is called as capsule. Understand? So the second degree of safety also is there, and then the original kidney appears. So this is the membrane. Understand? See the color difference, covering membrane, and see this, the membrane is being cut. Understand? This is the original color of the kidney. When the membrane is covered, see the color of the kidney. Understand? Yes. Is it visible nicely now? Since it is getting darker. Yeah. Is it visible? So it is being cut here to remove any residual liquid waste, that means on the urine. Okay, they are cutting only and then giving. Okay, then here in the hilum portion is there, no, the curved portion, here only the blood supply is given. Understand? Inside, for what purpose? For filtering. Understand? And then the same in the curved part only, again, and the purified blood will be going out. Understand? Next, here in this region, right, here in this region you can see the origin of ureter. Understand? It is totally being cut, right? So only we cannot spot out that ureter, a thin tube which arises and runs downwards and reaches the downward the pear shaped urinary bladder. In the same manner, this side kidney also. This is right kidney. Here left side kidney will happen to be there, and same setup. So how you see in the picture, the book picture, the same only. Understand? Right? Now, inside that only, the renal pyramids will be there. That renal pyramids, hilum, understand? Renal pelvis, and in the renal pyramids, so-called structural and functional units of kidney, nephrons will be there. Understand? Neurons, nerve cells, nephrons, kidney, structural and functional unit. Okay, let me try to cut. Passment, yeah. Now further. Divide I light with அப்படியே நீயும் கற்றுக்கணும்னா. Okay children, now the kidney, one kidney is cut into two equal halves in the longitudinal section from head to top, head to bottom, understand, head to bottom, longitudinal section. When an organ is cut into LS, longitudinal section only, then the entire portion, inner portion will be visible, so that we can read all the, observe the internal parts of the organ. When it is cut like this, transverse TS section from left to right, when it is cut, then only that area only visible, so we cannot be getting clear picture inside. Okay, yes, get on it. Okay, now observe children. See, this is kidney outer part. So kidney majorly two parts, cortex, medulla. Outer part of the kidney is called as renal cortex and inner part of the kidney is called as renal medulla, right? Here you can see the renal pyramids. Here you can see the renal pyramids, understand? Here in this region, understand, the nephrons will be there, understand? There are numerous nephrons in this area, which are the filtering units of the kidney, understand? So this happens to be the ureter, understand? Ureter, which runs downwards, collects urine, right? And here this is the pelvis area where the drops of urine get collected in the area, understand? Renal pelvis, it is a hollow area, understand? Here only, see, when I am pressing, it's going in, right? So renal pelvis, hollow area where the drops of urine from each pyramid get collected, and after it is full, the drops of urine will be going down through ureter and get saved in the urinary bladder. Of course, this total setup will not be possible to get from butcher shop. If at all it is, if the butcher agrees to give like that, understand? Because urinary bladder, immediately after cutting, they remove, understand? Okay, that's why it is not possible, right? Now this is collecting tube, that means what, ureter, and connected with the urinary bladder, where the urine is continuously stored. When 75% of the urinary bladder is filled in, then it gives signal to our brain, understand? The brain orders us to visit restroom. Okay children, so this is all about this one, kidney, internal view of the kidney and external view, right? This is external view, understand? Yeah, let me show this also. See, when it is cut inside, here you can see the renal pyramids clearly. Okay, yeah. Then above this, here a conical shaped gland is there, suprarenal gland, which is also called as adrenal gland, understand, right? So when we are taking that lesson about endocrine glands, I will explain. Okay, here above the kidney on top, right, this is top portion, this is bottom portion, right? Top portion, some lipid layer will be there, layer will be there. Above that only a conical shaped gland is there, that is suprarenal gland, and also called as adrenal gland, which secretes adrenaline and noradrenaline, understand? Adrenaline is also called as epinephrine, noradrenaline is also called as norepinephrine, right? That we will see in detail. Why it is called as suprarenal? Supra means on top, renal, this kidney, understand? So on top of the kidney that gland is there, that is why it is called as suprarenal gland, understand? So this is the full structure of kidney. Okay, thank you children.